Okay, here's example 6. There's always a question like this on the test in some form or fashion. Sometimes this one is even open-ended. All right, and it says f of -3, and it gives you the function. So it's giving you an input, and it wants to know the output. So it's giving you -3. It wants to know what is the output. So all you do is type your equation in. Add the graph. 3x squared minus 7. Enter. Menu. Trace. Graph trace. It gives you the input of -3. Enter. And the output is 20. There's your answer. Done. If it was a griddable, then you would grid in 20. Now, there's a what if, and there is sometimes that they change this up and they'll say f of x equals -3. Well, y and f of x are equivalent to each other. Remember, f of x equals and y equals are the same thing. So if this is the case, let me choose something that's better fit to this question. They might say f of x equals 68. So they're saying the output is 68, and they want you to look for the input. So if they put f of x equals, that's like saying y equals 68. So they gave you y, and they want you to find x. Okay, if they put f and they put it inside the parenthesis because this is f of x, that means they gave you x. They want you to find the output. So you have to be careful which way they write it. So if they gave you that, you could come to the table. Here's my output of 68. So my input, my answer choice would then be 5. Or you could input your answer choices and see which one gives you 68. All right, here's one for you to try. Again, they gave us the equation. We go to the graph. We're going to type it in. 3x squared minus 7. Enter. Menu. Trace. Graph trace. They want to know what's happening at 4. So I just type 4. Enter. 4 outputs 41. So the correct answer is C.